workout brought to you by watching Dexter. He's got me into the show. It's good. But it's time to work out. So let's do it. Hi guys, I just showered and tanned and kind of got dressed. I put on sweatpants and a shirt because that's all you wear. I want to like wear cuter outfits, but it's freezing, so like you have to wear a sweatshirt or like a long sleeve. So I put on a little bit of makeup and I tanned. So I need to plan next week's podcast and edit some vlogs, and I kind of want more coffee. But I think that's because I'm bored. Anyone else drinking an excess amount of coffee just because out of boredom? Just me? No. I was gonna say we could go to Dunkin' Donuts because it's free donut day, but we shouldn't spend money. We shouldn't go out. And we don't need donuts. So I guess we're not going to do that. Talk myself out of that real quick. I'm gonna run out of coffee though. What do I do? Wish we had seltzers, like regular seltzers.
Really, babe? Twice in one cane.
I made him die. I've literally been editing all morning. It's 1:30 and I need to eat.
Dylan.
So I was saying that I need to eat. And I think I'm gonna... He's yelling again. You're yelling again.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna make an acai bowl. I had a few of Dylan's french fries because he had french fries and chicken tenders for lunch, and french fries were good. But I'm gonna make an acai bowl. I just got these little packet things. Got some frozen bananas. I got these acai bowl packets, and you just like put them on the you just like put them on the sink for a second and do that. Frozen bananas and almond milk. It's so good. So I don't think I picked up the vlog since like lunch, because after that literally Dylan and I laid down, took a nap on the couch, and he's still sleeping upstairs. But it's 5 o'clock now and I've just been getting videos up and watching YouTube videos on the TV, but I think I'm gonna go see if he's gonna wake up so we can make dinner. We're gonna have fried rice tonight. I was also making a grocery list for this week because like we have food, but we also realize we can't make some of it because we don't have a microwave or a pot like to make pasta, which my mom says she has that, so I'll probably go get that from her because we need to make food. But like we can't make soup, we can't make ramen, we can't make what else was there that Dylan wanted to make? Oh, like our rice. We have nothing to make it in. So we're gonna have fried rice tonight and like put eggs in it for added protein, and then tomorrow we're gonna have pasta and chicken and broccoli. So yeah, that's what's going on. I think we're gonna do like a little happy hour game night thing with our friends on Zoom tonight, which will be fun. But that's not till 7, so we have a little bit of time. And yeah, it's just been a real quarantine day of laying around watching a lot of Dexter. I'm so into it. I want Dylan to wake up so I can watch more. There's another freaking ant. I swear to God, there's ants everywhere, and some of them like are dead, but some of them are alive. She said the exterminator is gonna come when it dries up, but it's like been raining the last 2 days, so that's not happening anytime soon. We put ant traps down, but I don't know, they're still floating around. What? I don't know. I'm hungry. I really wanted coffee just because I'm literally bored. It sounded good, and I was watching like people on their vlogs make coffee. And I was like, that sounds so good right now. But I'll wait. I'm trying to decide if I want a margarita or wine tonight. Those are the little things you have to worry about when you're inside all day. I will vlog again when we make dinner, maybe? Hopefully? I don't know. Cupboard with the cups. Wine time!
Wine time!
We need better wine glasses.
I like. Did you share that?
Yeah, it's in the fridge. It's almost
Share
time
that
for our
today.
game night. This is what quarantine and the world has come to, is playing games via FaceTime. Or Google, are we doing Google Hangout? Is that it?
Google Hangout.
There's Google Hangout, there's Zoom, there's FaceTime, there's House Party. It's just like crazy. We're watching Dexter and it's so good. I don't want to stop watching. What are you doing back there?
Checking the legs.
You're funny. I didn't even hear your boy. Thank you. A little rosé.
Let me make my drink.
Are you gonna do the vodka and Sprite?
Oh, no, I'll make my drink.
What?
Made it.
Oh. Cheers, baby. I've noticed in editing vlogs I sip really weird and I don't like it. I'm like,